Changing your phone number on WhatsApp is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition to your new number. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with your current phone number. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner for Android or the bottom right tab for iPhone to open the menu. Select settings from the drop-down options. Step 3. Go to account. In the settings menu, tap on account. This section contains options related to your account settings, including changing your phone number. Step 4. Select change number. Tap on change number. You will see a prompt explaining that this feature allows you to change the phone number associated with your account while retaining your chat history and groups. Step 5. Enter new number. Input your current phone number in the first field and your new phone number in the second field. After entering both numbers, tap next and follow the on-screen instructions to verify your new number. After completing these steps, your WhatsApp account will be updated with your new phone number and your contacts will be notified of the change.